The SOFIRN SK30 is a compact yet incredibly powerful tactical flashlight designed for those who need reliable performance in demanding conditions. With an output of up to 3,000 lumens and a beam distance of around 370 meters, this pocket-sized light proves that serious illumination can come in a small and lightweight package. SOFIRN includes practical accessories to maximize convenience, such as a sturdy nylon holster, a one-way pocket clip, and a lanyard option. These carrying solutions make it easy to adapt the flashlight for EDC, outdoor activities, or professional tactical use. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy with hard anodized finishing, the SK30 is built to withstand tough use. Its rugged construction, combined with a mildly aggressive stainless steel strike bezel, makes it not just a source of light, but also a dependable emergency and self-defense tool. Despite its durability, the flashlight remains lightweight and pocket-friendly, offering portability without compromise. Powered by a single 21,700 rechargeable battery, the SK30 offers excellent runtime for its size. Convenient USB-C charging allows fast recharging directly in the flashlight, protected by a silicone cover for added dust and moisture resistance. Built-in charging indicators, red for charging, green when full, keep users informed at a glance, ensuring the flashlight is equipped with dual tail switches that enhance usability. One switch provides instant access to turbo mode with a simple double tap, while the other handles standard brightness modes and strobe activation. The interface is intuitive, with memory function ensuring the light returns to the last used mode. This thoughtful design makes the SK30 easy to operate in both everyday and tactical scenarios. The SOFIRN SK30 strikes an excellent balance between power, portability, and tactical functionality. Its combination of high lumen output, long beam distance, rugged construction, and intuitive controls make it a versatile tool for law enforcement, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday users alike. Compact enough to fit in a pocket, but powerful enough to rival larger models, the SK30 is a flashlight that proves indispensable once you start using it.